Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best smartwatch fitness tracker heart rate monitor you can get right now. The sleek and stylish fitness tracker smartwatch with heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring, complete with over 20 sports modes and compatibility with both Android and iOS. If you're on the hunt for an all-in-one fitness tracker that doesn't break the bank, you're in the right place. Let's start with the design. This smartwatch comes in a soft, elegant pink color that's perfect for both casual and active lifestyles. The watch face is a vibrant, full-colored touchscreen that gives you instant access to all your stats and settings. It's lightweight and comfortable, making it ideal for all-day wear, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just lounging around. Now, let's talk features, and there are a lot of them. This device monitors your heart rate 24/7, helping you stay on top of your cardiovascular health throughout the day and night. On top of that, it also tracks your blood oxygen saturation, a feature that's becoming increasingly important for fitness enthusiasts and anyone keeping an eye on their respiratory health. Sleep tracking is another major highlight. This smartwatch monitors your sleep cycles, providing detailed insights into your deep sleep, light sleep, and even your wake times. This can help you better understand your rest patterns and make adjustments to improve your overall sleep quality. When it comes to fitness tracking, this watch shines. With over 20 sports modes, it caters to everything from walking and running to cycling, yoga, and more. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this smartwatch records your steps, calories burned, workout time, and more, helping you stay motivated and on track with your goals. The smartwatch also syncs with your phone to deliver smart notifications right to your wrist. That includes calls, messages, app alerts, and more, so you can stay connected without constantly picking up your phone. It works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, ensuring broad compatibility across the board. Let's not forget about battery life. This watch boasts a long-lasting battery that keeps going for days on a single charge, depending on your usage. That means less time charging and more time focusing on what matters, your health and fitness journey. Water resistance? Absolutely. Whether you're sweating it out in the gym or caught in the rain, this smartwatch can handle it. It's designed to be your fitness companion through all kinds of daily activities. In short, this smartwatch delivers serious value. For anyone looking for an affordable yet powerful fitness tracker with heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, and extensive sport modes, all in a sleek, attractive package, this could be the perfect pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews just like this. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this smartwatch and what your experience has been like. Until next time, stay fit, stay smart.